Good morning, sir. Welcome to Taj Hotel. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I want to make a room reservation.
Certainly, sir. This is my colleague, Mr. Karan,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
who will take care of your luggage.
All right. Here you go, Karan.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Come this way, sir.
Okay.
He is my colleague, Mr. Jatin, who will do your further checking formalities.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome, sir. Hope you have a pleasant stay with us.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Namaste.
Welcome to Santa. Do you have a reservation with us, sir?
No, actually, I want to make a room reservation. Do you have the rooms available for tonight?
Certainly, sir. Let me check in the system.
All right. No problem. Take your time.
Yes, sir. We do have available rooms for today. So we have three categories of room.
All right.
First is deluxe room, second is superior room, and third is suite room. Sir, deluxe room will be costing you 2,000 rupees for a single person, and superior room will be costing you 3,000 rupees for single person, and suite room will be costing you 5,000 rupees for single person.
All right.
Sir, these rates are equal.
Okay.
So, sir, which room would you like to book?
I want to make a room reservation of deluxe room, and it will be for single occupancy for 2 nights.
Sir, can you help me with your last name?
My last name is Negi and first name is Bishwajeet.
Allow me some time.
All right, take your time.
This is the registration card, Mr. Negi. Can you fill your important details?
Certainly, I will do that. Give me a minute. Okay. My name is this. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. It's done.
For further processing, I just need your valid ID.
Sure, just give me a minute. Here you go.
Sir, allow me some time.
All right.
This is your ID, Mr. Negi.
Thank you.
Mr. Negi, just wanted to confirm how will you settle your room charges?
I will pay by cash. That would be fine.
Yes.
Here you go.
Mr. Negi, allow me some time.
No issue. Take your time.
This is the cash receipt, Mr. Negi.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Negi, I just need your signature here.
All right. Give me a minute. Yes. Where do you want me to sign? Here. Okay. Yes. Here you go.
Sir, allow me to repeat your room information, sir.
All right.
You have booked for deluxe room for single occupancy for 2 nights, and your departure will be day after tomorrow. And you have included breakfast in your room.
All right.
And breakfast will be served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. In our multi-cuisine restaurant.
All right.
Just right there.
Okay.
And for more assistance, kindly dial 0 for reception.
Okay. I will do that.
This is your room key, Mr. Negi.
All right. Thank you so much.
For internet connectivity, username is your room number and password is your last name.
Okay. All right.
Come this way.
Okay.
Sir, kindly identify your luggage.
Yes. This is my luggage. This is the room number.
Mr. Negi, my colleague, Mr. Karan,
Okay.
he will escort you into your room and
Okay.
take care of your luggage.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Negi. Hope you have pleasant stay with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jatin.
Thank you once again. Come this way, sir.
All right.